Some severe storms for us, but that is no longer an issue. However, today we have this warm front that will be approaching the area, and that is going to bring yet another chance of some severe storms to Hampton Roads. So look for that to be developing around the lunchtime hour. Behind that warm front, as we move into tomorrow, Memorial Day, we have another cold front that will be dipping through the area, bringing yet another chance of some rain showers. So for today, I mentioned that risk of some severe storms. We're under a slight or tier 2 risk, with the biggest threats being some gusty winds up to 55 miles per hour and some hail possible as well. And that really covers all of Hampton Roads. The better risk is for Norfolk and southward, and then the Middle Peninsula and Eastern Shore is under that tier 1 or marginal risk. So none of us are completely in the clear with that severe threat today. I want to walk through this on Futurecast. So throughout the morning and afternoon hours, we'll be seeing a few breaks in the clouds, some sunshine followed by some thick, dense clouds pushing in. And then by the afternoon hour, I think Futurecast is downplaying this a little bit. I think that's when we start to see some of those storms developing by this afternoon. And then that threat of some severe storms really stays in the forecast through the early evening hours. After that, we keep the shower chances in the forecast even into the overnight hours, so keep that in mind. But as we move into tomorrow, we start to clear up a little bit. This is a look at 2:30 in the morning, so things starting to quiet down just a little bit, and I think we'll see some peaks of sunshine on your Memorial Day as well. Temperatures tomorrow much warmer than what we're looking at today, in the upper 80s. Now tomorrow, we're also in a slight risk of some severe storms, but that mainly comes for those of us in northeastern North Carolina, as you can see here on Futurecast. That's going to be the best area for thunderstorms in general and severe storms at that. But take a look at these temperatures, getting close to 90 degrees in some spots. And then once that next cold front does push through, we start to clear out once again. And then things are looking pretty good for the rest of Monday and into Tuesday. But then Tuesday, we bring yet another chance of some rain showers back into the forecast. Today, high temperatures will be topping out in the upper 70s, partly cloudy skies. PM storms are certainly possible, and again, keep in mind that we could be seeing some of those severe storms as well. And then tonight, temperatures dropping down into the upper 60s, so a mild night despite some of those storm chances. And then a big warm-up just in time for tomorrow with highs in the upper 80s, so much hotter on Memorial Day. Here's a quick look at that 7-day forecast. So again, 77 today. We gain about 10 degrees moving into tomorrow, but behind that cold front moving through tomorrow night, temperatures drop back down into the 70s, and then they kind of even out for the rest of the week in the upper 70s and low 80s.